June 2024, in a lab in Hefei, China, Professor Quan Kan Kuo and his team at the University of Science and Technology of China achieved what many thought as impossible: quantum teleportation of information across great distances with unprecedented precision. But let me ask you, what if you weren't just beamed somewhere else? What if the you stepping into the machine dies and the one stepping out isn't really you? Now hold that thought. Let's dive into the implication. Quantum teleportation relies on quantum entanglement, what Einstein called spooky action at a distance. It's a process where particles communicate faster than light. But to transfer a person, the original must be disassembled at the atomic level, destroyed. Now think about it. Every molecule of you would be obliterated in one place, while a perfect replica is reconstructed elsewhere. Is the replica you, or have you just committed the most elaborate suicide in human history? Throughout history, cults and civilizations obsessed over the soul leaving the body. The Aztecs believed human sacrifice allowed the spirit to traverse dimensions. In 1984, the cult of Heaven's Gate preached that their bodies were vessels to be discarded for higher realms. Their tragic mass suicide in Rancho Santa Fe, California, involved 39 members who believed they ascended to an alien spacecraft. Now, replace their fate with quantum physics. When we use technology to teleport, are we rewriting these ancient rites of body soul separation? In the Tibetan Book of the Dead, the transition from life to death is described as a passage through voids of light, a terrifying journey where one risks losing their very essence. And in the Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says, "That which is born must die, and that which dies must be born again." Was this a metaphor or a premonition of a process humanity might engineer? In 1986, a tabloid article claimed a Soviet experiment resulted in a machine cloning a human. Witnesses reported the clone seemed off, lacking emotion or empathy. Now, in 2024, as scientists inch closer to teleportation, how do we ensure the reassembled you isn't wrong? Remember the Philadelphia experiment? Allegedly, in 1943, the USS Eldridge disappeared and reappeared elsewhere with horrifying results. Sailors fused to the ship, others babbling incoherently about otherworldly dimensions. A hoax, you say? Or an early attempt at teleportation gone nightmarishly wrong? Stephen Hawking warned us about playing with things we don't understand. If teleportation can bridge dimensions, what happens if we accidentally tap into a cosmic network? Would something reach back? In 1999, CERN scientists studying quantum particles reported strange anomalies. Particles disappearing into what they called dark pathways. They dismissed it as noise, but what if those pathways are gateways? Now imagine this. You're the first person to be teleported. You step in, you feel the hum of the machine, then darkness. When you open your eyes, you're on the other side, but there's a nagging thought you can't shake. What if the real me never made it here? Was that brief blackout a death, a reboot, or something far worse?